Welcome to Jim Premium Comfort Dentures claims to be the ultimate advanced solution for your mouth, promising a natural look, a secure fit, and even improved jaw health. It sounds like a total dream for anyone wanting a youthful smile without the usual denture-induced misery. Honestly, it sounds so perfect I'm surprised it doesn't also offer to file your taxes. But many of you have been asking the million-dollar question. Is this product actually legit? Let's break it down and see what's really going on behind that perfect smile. First, the company claims to be FDA approved and GMP certified. However, when we went looking for a shred of proof, we found absolutely nothing. No documents, no verification, just vibes. It's hard to tell if these are real medical credentials or if they just liked how the acronyms looked on the website. Then we checked the before and after images. Surprise, surprise. A lot of them appear to be shamelessly lifted from random corners of the internet. I guess originality wasn't in the marketing budget this year, which makes trusting their results a bit of a stretch. The claims only get bolder from there, as they state that over 1,000 dentists trust this product. Yet, they don't show a single name or any actual proof to back it up. It's essentially the "my girlfriend goes to another school" of dental endorsements. They also love using vague buzzwords like indistinguishable from natural teeth and high quality at an affordable price. While those phrases sound lovely, they don't actually tell us anything about how the product functions in the real world. Lastly, we scoured independent review sites like Trustpilot and found absolutely nothing. There isn't a single independent review anywhere, making it impossible to know if actual customers are happy or just silently regretful. So, is Jim Premium Comfort Dentures legit? Between the unverified certifications, copied photos, and ghost dentists, the red flags are practically waving themselves. If you're thinking about buying, stay cautious and look for a verified alternative that actually exists in reality. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates, tips, and reviews that won't leave you grinding your teeth.